favorites ko. But these are not favorite na ano, no? Let me just put it this way. I must, sabihin ko na lang, ano, these are the stories also na tumatak din sa akin. No? Kasi lahat sila favorite ko eh. Siyempre, it's my show, you know. Pero there are some na naiiwan pa rin hanggang ngayon sa aking alaanan yung mga shows ito. What? Okay. Unang-una, sa celebrity episodes natin, ang recent, well, let me see, this year ito. Yung kwento ni Abdul Rahman. Alam nyo, pagkatapos ng interview sa kanya, naiyak ako and I was pushed to, you know, tumindig ako and I said, give me a hug. Automatic, you know, give me a hug. And he hugged me. And this was because I faced a young man, so young, very, very young man, who had, you know, who surmounted problems na talagang hindi mo akalain na maaayos niya yung buhay niya on his own. If you will recall, ano yung story niya, na-abuse siya ng father niya. Tapos, na siya ang nag-alaga sa mother niya, sa kapatid niya. Basta, yung buhay niya napaka-complicated. But in the end, he won all his fights. Isa yan. Okay. Siyempre, kay Alden Richards, nanalo si Alden Richards dito ano naman tayo nalong kanina. Yung parents niya, may mental problem, may mental illness. And he was the one who had to. Baliktad yung buhay doon. Imbis na parents taking care of children, ito naman, the son taking care of both parents who were mentally ill. Di ba? He won, best actor. Sa puso at isipan. Yes, you are correct. So yun, gusto ko rin yun. Pagkatapos, ano pa? Yung mga, ano ba ninyo yung episode na yung girl, this young girl, was afflicted with, wow, let me see if I can remember the name of the disease. Osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteo refers to bone. Ang bone niya, lumalambot as she gets older. And so she's the one na meron siyang bed na tinutulak. Hindi siya nakatindig, hindi siya naka-wheelchair. Because her bones were soft na yung bones niya. Hindi na talagang konting kibot lang, mababali ang mga bones niya, ganyan. But up to now it's there. Kasi she was such a cheerful person despite